Hello everyone, this is Deep Tripathi, your teacher, and you are watching me on Divine World of Education. Now, you know that we have been doing a series on CBSE 12th English. We have already completed one book. In that book, there were few poems and some prose chapters. Now, this is the time that we have to begin another book of ours, that is Vistas. And in today's class, we will do the first chapter of the another book, Vistas, and the name of the chapter is The Third Level. So let me write it here. So this is the name of your chapter, The Third Level. Now, as you know, whatever aspects we cover in each and every class, in this class also we will be covering those all aspects. Now the first thing that we will do is about the author. So let me write it here. Okay, so when we talk about the author, then the name of the author is Jack Finney is the author. Jack Finney, he is an American. An American writer. He often he deals with, he often deals with the themes like we have time travel, we have fantasy, and psychological escapes. Fine. So these are the themes that he deals in his most of the stories or in his main stories. Now in today's story, The Third Level, we will be also dealing with the same themes. Fine. So we have done about the author. Now this is the time to look at the characters. Fine. So now the characters. The first character that is presented to you is Charlie. Fine. So it is Charlie. He is actually the protagonist. He finds the third level. And he also suffers from stress and fear. So Charlie, he is the character. Now he is the protagonist. The whole story revolves around him. Now he finds the third level and he suffers from stress and fear. And why it happens, we will see that. Okay. Now the another character that we have is Louisa, Louisa. Now Louisa she is Charlie's wife. And she often worries about his mental health. So these are two characters. Another character we have is Sam Weiner. This is the third character, and he is actually the psychiatrist, friend of Charlie. Fine. So he is the psychiatrist friend of Charlie. So these are the three characters. We have only three characters in the story, and the story is most about the, as you know, the psychological escapes and the time travel. So we don't have many characters in this. We have only three characters, and even two of them are very important. This Charlie and Sam Winner, because some conversation happens between them. So now we have seen the author, the characters, and now we'll see the summary of the chapter. So this, now we are going to do the summary. So how the story begins, we can see this. Now first this Charlie. He is a 31 years old man, lives a stressful life, full of worries and wars. All right, worries and wars. Now here worries are there, okay, but wars, actually he talks about the world war or what was happening in the world that time, and he was deeply affected by all of these things, right? Now what happens, like one day while returning home, so one day when he was returning home, what happens? Enters to Grand Central Station. Okay, so one day, and why he goes there? To take a subway. So one day what happens, this Charlie, he was returning to his home, so he enters to Grand Central Station. It is important for you to learn this name, so so that he can take a subway and he can reach to his destination, that is towards his home. Fine, and maybe it can be a short way or something. So now what happens? Accidentally he moves to an unknown corridor. Fine. So now, like you can see that many times he was going from there, but this time something strange happens with him. And what is that strange? That he moves to an unknown corridor. Fine. And this corridor is known as third level. All right. Now this third level was actually very different, right? So this level, it's completely different. It is, which level it is? Third level. That means he has already visited to another two levels of this Grand Central Station. But this time when he was going towards his home, when he was taking subway, then he reaches to a very unknown place. That is, this he calls as the third level. And this third level is completely different. Why it is different? Because there were this gas lights were used. There were the gas lights were used instead of instead of electricity lights. Then after this, what happens? In this, the people, they were people wearing old-fashioned clothes. Old-fashioned clothes. The people were wearing old-fashioned clothes. Then, apart from this, what happens? There is an old currency is used here. Old currency is used here. And apart from this, there is an old ticket counter is also there. Fine. Old ticket counter. Fine. So these all things are there. That is why this new level, or you can say the third level, was different from other levels. So you can say everything is here old type of. Fine. So now, then there is Charlie. He realizes, what he realizes, that he has reached to 1894. Fine. This he realizes that he has reached to 1894. That means in the past, and he wants to permanently escapes sorry escapes to this Galesburg, Illinois. Sorry. So maybe this is the place where he was residing, that Galesburg, Illinois. And then he was, you can see, he was living a very life which was stressful, which was full of wars. So that means what happens here? He tries to escape it permanently. Fine. Now after this, what happens? He tries to buy tickets, which he thinks to buy for his wife. So he tries to buy tickets, but his modern currency not accepted at all. Fine. So he tries to buy tickets, but his modern currency not accepted. Later, he again tries to find the third level, but never succeeds. That means it was a kind of occasionally it happened, right? And he has seen everything, that this is very strange, it is very different. Now later he tries to find the third level, but he never succeeds. Okay. After this, his psychiatrist friend, psychiatrist friend, this Sam, right? What he says when he tells the whole story to his friend Sam, then what this Sam thinks, that he is actually, it is only a waking dream waking dream, wish fulfillment. All right. So what he thinks that it is only actually a waking dream, wish fulfillment. It's a kind of psychological escape. Psychological escape. Fine. So he thinks that, he said that like because there is war is going on, and this modern life, it has so much stress, so much fear and lot of tension, and because of that you want to escape the reality, and this what you are telling me, it's a kind of psychological escape. It is nothing real. I don't think that this anything happened to you in reality, but it is just your psychological or mental state. Fine. So at the end what happens, this Charlie, he finds a letter, and that is dated 1894, written by Sam, and this letter is suggesting that Charlie also has escaped to the past. All right. So even they were trying to find this Charlie. This Charlie was trying to find Sam for a long time, but he disappeared somewhere, and later he finds a letter, and that letter somehow reveals that he may have escaped to the past, or he may have also gone to this 1894. Fine. So this was the summary. Like everything has been told in this. So now we should see themes of the chapter. So let me write this here. Themes. So what can be the themes? Okay, the first is escapism. You know why escapism? Because like they escape to the reality, they escape to the past. Then we have this reality versus fantasy. We have this psychological conflicts. We can also have this nostalgia to the past. Okay. So these are the general themes that are told in this chapter. So we have talked about the author, we have seen the characters also, 3 characters are there, we have seen the whole summary here. These are few themes which are important for you to know. So this much is for this particular chapter. Okay. So if you read it, you will get to know everything. This all the information has been already delivered to you. So you make the most of use of it. Try to listen it and write as much as you can from this, and I definitely hope that it will help you in your exam also. So thank you so much. So this is it for this particular class. We'll meet in the next class now. Okay.